Alright, this video is how to try to merge level 1 and level 2 for the mazes in order to create level 3. Basically what you have to do is you have to open two tabs, as you can see, of the Vex VR. Okay, you would then have to open, so file, load from your device, maze level 1, file, load from your device, maze level 2. Okay, and then in one of them you would change it to level 3, and then you would want to make sure that at the end you save to your device. Okay, so in level 1 right now I just have the A code, okay, which is all I'm going to need right now, but theoretically you'd have the entire thing done, right? Hopefully you'd have it kind of broken out like I do for each letter. If not, it may be a little more difficult, but you'll at least have the code. Same thing with 2, I've got it, one of them, the code to just number 1. Okay, so what we're kind of going to do is we're going to mash them together. Okay, so in here, I already have part of it done. So in here I have how to get to 1. Okay, so if I'm in the playground, I can tell if I push play I'm going to get to 1. Okay, and this work should already be done for you because you've done it in this one. Okay, so then I'm here. I know I need to make my way back to this area. Okay, so that is going to be where your brain work comes into play. Okay, I've already got it done, but as I can see, I'm gonna turn left, go up, turn left, go forward, turn left, go down, turn left, go forward, and then turn right. Okay, and then I'll be at the start. Okay, so I've already got it done, like I said, so I'm just going to put it in, and then we're going to refresh and play and make sure that's correct. Okay, so probably at the end I'd want to go a little bit further. So maybe 250. Okay, so say we're back to this starting point. Then I come over to the level 1, and I can't physically copy this and paste it in here, but what I can do is realize, like, oh, drive forward for 250, turn left for 90, drive forward for 250, turn left for 90. So much like I've already done, I would bring those in underneath. Okay, refresh the whole thing, play it, and make sure it works the whole way. Let's see, good. Alright, I forgot my weight over on 1, which is fine. Okay, so then what you would want to do if you had how to get to 2, okay, you would probably need to take away the part till when you get to about here, take it out of that, okay, and then kind of mash it to the bottom of this. Okay, it'll take some kind of cutting and thinking on your part, but instead of trying to recreate the entire code, all you're doing is kind of mashing these. Okay, and then obviously the most important part is once you get to the finish line, you're gonna have to file, save to my device, save it as level 3. So as you can see, I already have a couple of them, so I'm just gonna override that one, and then this is gonna be what you turn in.